Hey guys, what's going on? It's Dylan, joined with Wally and Goat, and we're just out here on Sunday, May 8th at about 6 o'clock p.m. and there's some storms, of course, brewing up here in southwest Oklahoma, and we're gonna kind of watch some radars and try to get kind of in the mix of things, you know, of course, while staying safe. See if we can get some good pictures and video for you guys.
Okay, well we're heading that way as fast as we can.
Brother,
all right.
You gotta put us through spring to get on this side of it. Just need it covered.
Okay. Yeah, we're pulling into Apache, Oklahoma right now. We're going to head on south Porter Hill. We're going to meet up with the legend Steve Booker. We're going to see if we can get some high quality media to share with you guys. Hopefully we'll see a funnel cloud in the distance. We don't want to wind up in the middle of one, but anyway, that's our intention. So we'll give you another report when we pick up the man later. Steve,
Yes, sir.
we're in downtown Elgin right now, heading east. Hey Steve, you need to boogie out of there. We turned around, we started getting in some hail.
Well guys, we were south of Sterling, and we were headed, trying to get to Highway 7 to meet up with Mr. Booker, but we started getting held on. We're getting a little bit of hail and some heavy rain right now, and so we had to turn around, and we are heading back north as fast as we safely can, and we're going to head back west and get out of the path of this bad boy, so you know, we can stay safe. So sitting here trying not to hydroplane, got to stay safe first, but be back with you here in a minute for another report. Well, ladies and gentlemen, here it is about 7:30, and we kind of dibble-dabbed around with the storm. Got right into the mouth of it, as you guys see, and we decided better stay safe. Turned around, hauled, got out of there. Unfortunately didn't get to meet up with the legend Steve Booker, but we will get to meet up with him some other time. Storms are starting to head up northeast, and we're just really not wanting to put that many miles beneath us today, so we decided we're going to head, get us some grub, eat some food, stay safe, and call it an evening. So sorry if this wasn't the most exciting storm chasing video so far, but we're just going to continue getting out there and getting into them. One of these days we are going to get a touchdown. We're going to get a funnel on the ground for you guys. Watch and see.